Hey, we're gonna do a quick echo me video. So I'll go first and then I'll do this and you echo back. And we're gonna break it into chunks. So let's start right at the beginning. Here we go. I start. Resilience, we are strong. Try it. Ready? Here you go. Resilience, we are strong. Okay, that's that melody that's kind of easy to get. Here is, in my opinion, the hardest part. Okay, starting at shoulder. Listen first. Shoulder to shoulder, keep moving on. So it's that rhythm. Shoulder to shoulder, keep moving on. Try that. Ready? Here you go. Shoulder to shoulder, keep moving on. Okay, so let's do this first section. I'll sing it all and then you sing it all. Listen first. Resilience, we are strong. Shoulder to shoulder, keep moving on. You try 1, 2, and here you go. Resilience, we are strong. Shoulder to shoulder, keep moving on. Good. Then this next section. Resilience, make a new plan. You try that. Ready? And sing. Resilience, make a new plan. Now we have this last line. Stand up again and say, yes, we can. Okay? Now here's what you have to know. This little resilience is going to repeat back to the beginning. So just for now, know that you stop at can, unless you're going to repeat. So it's stand up again and say, yes, we can. Try that. Ready? And go. Stand up again and say, yes, we can. Okay? I'm going to sing the whole thing, then you can do the whole thing. 1, 2, my turn. Resilience, we are strong. Shoulder to shoulder, keep moving on. Resilience, make a new plan. Stand up again and say, yes, we can. You try 1, 2, here you go. Resilience, we are strong. Shoulder to shoulder, keep moving on. Resilience, make a new plan. Stand up again and say, yes, we can. All right, nice job.